normal. Hey! Hey guys! Hi! Hello! Welcome! So I kind of did 2 looks in one today. This is kind of a tutorial on how to do like a black and brown warm tone smoky eye, and then another like adding glitter on top. So if you're not comfortable with glitter, just watch anyways to see how to do a dark smoky eye. And if you're here for the glitter, then I am here for you. Let's get this party started, shall we? We shall. Okay, so for New Year's, I mean, what kind of stuff do you think of? You think of smoky, dark, sultry, maybe warm or cool tone. I think of glitter. I think of dark and I think of glitter. So that's what we're doing. Let's just see where life takes us. And a lot of these colors you guys will be able to find at home. It's nothing that your grandma can't buy for you. We're gonna take some RCMA, no color powder, any loose translucent powder that you have that's not gonna make a flashback. Put it right under your eyes, especially because we're using black eyeshadow. We really gotta pay attention here. Okay, it's just like, you can take a gel liner, whatever kind of liner that you have that smudges really well, that's what we're gonna start with. This is the Too Faced Born This. Lies. I'm telling you lies. This is the Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner. They don't make this anymore. I did find it on Amazon. A little sketch magetch. But it worked. It worked out okay. See how creamy that is? It's like butter for your eyelids. You can take a Q-tip, you can take a smudge brush. I prefer to kind of go in with something like this, like just a cheap disposable eyeshadow applicator, or you can use a disposable lipstick applicator. So we're just gonna start smudging that, and we're not gonna go directly to our crease, we're gonna go just a little bit below. Basically what you're doing is just kind of diffusing that line. And then I'm gonna take a matte black, we can add shimmer in later. This is Makeup Geek Corrupt. So then I'm gonna take just a brush that's a little bit more dense to really pack that black on there and just go right over top of the eyeliner. You can start diffusing it to your crease. Again, don't go above. The reason you don't want to go above is because it takes it from sultry to like 1990s porn star. Then we're gonna go in with a brown, pretty dark brown. Sorry for what you're about to see. This is my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I get a little messy. And they made it out of freaking cardboard, so like, what did they expect? That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. It is more of a dark, warm brown. And I'm gonna take a pointed, like dome brush, but something that's still pretty dense. You don't want to have too much movement because you still want to pack it on, but I need something that's going to focus it in my crease. Just try and keep it to your crease. You don't want to go too much above because we're going to be adding other colors to kind of blend it upwards. And I'm actually going to just pack it on more down towards the black. So that way you get the darkest definition around your lash line. So I'm gonna start buffing out with really light shades and then start adding a darker transition where I need it. Because sometimes when you keep layering dark up to your brow, you're gonna get up to your brow with the dark. I'm just gonna go in with just a casual brown, just super cash, something like this, right? And I'm just gonna take a brush like this. You can take a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna go right along that line and kind of start to diffuse it. Sometimes a denser brush helps because it's gonna help diffuse those lines. Okay, and from there, we have obviously a harsh line coming from here, so we wanna add in the brow highlight. Just something like that. Something close to your skin tone. So I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown again, just kind of refocus it right in that crease. We're gonna start working underneath, and that's kind of what's gonna tie it all together. Same thing that we did on top, we're gonna do on bottom. Start with the waterline. And I'm just gonna take like a tiny little bit, because again, this stuff is so creamy that it can get out of hand. Little smudge brush. I wouldn't say go to all the way to your inner corner, but definitely go towards your inner corner. I like to stop just before because I still want to put a little pop there to kind of open my eye up. You're connecting your lower and your upper lash line right here. If I see you guys try this and you guys have a gap right here, I'm coming for you. I'm gonna have a brush on hand. I'm not gonna go in with black eyeshadow right now on my lower lash line because we already smudged out so much black eyeliner that's how it gets carried away. So go in with your dark brown, and if you want it to be darker, then add black on top. And then from there, take this brush, whatever you use to use that lighter color. It's gonna be a little messy. That's how you get that smoky look. Take that brown that we used to diffuse and just start wishing, washing back and forth. You're kind of making like a ring, right? You have your black ring, the brown ring, and then you're gonna have your lighter brown ring that's gonna connect like this. If you end up getting a little too dark under here, just take something close to your skin tone. Like I'll go in with maybe this shade right here and just go right underneath to soften it. That's what's great about these matte shades that are close to your skin tone, is you can go in and buff out any mistakes that you made. You can't be afraid to make mistakes, otherwise you're not gonna succeed in life. What does Bobby Bones say? Fail until you don't. I want you guys to fail until you don't with this eyeshadow. Hello darkness, my old friend. I'm gonna go in with the glitter. Now you could use something like Lemonhead glitter. I feel like this glitter is gonna be a little too chunky for what I'm going for. I want something super, super fine. So I'm gonna take the NYX glitter glue, and then I'm gonna go in with a Violet Voss glitter. These are super fine, super beautiful, super juicy. Sandy, it's just straight gold. It's that cooler tone gold, softer gold, super, super fine. Take that glue, put it on your hand or anything that you use for a canvas. You can take a Q-tip or a little doe foot applicator. So I'm gonna start in the inner corner, and we basically just kind of want to fade this to the outer. I've taken some glue and I've probably put it to about 3/4 to half of the way across my lid. If you don't want to really pack it on, don't use a brush. Just take a little bit on your finger and gently give it a little love tap. So I want to put a little color in my inner corner. You can put some glitter in there. I feel like sometimes that takes away and it's almost like too much glitter. And I mean, that's a very sensitive area. So I need a gold. And the only gold I can call upon is my trusty Ombre-Z highlight. Feel free to add like a wing or something. I think I'm going to keep it pretty low key and just do like a thin thing of eyeliner on the top. Alright, let's go in with like a nude lip. Pick one thing you want to accentuate and focus on. And usually it's eyes or lips. So I think I'm going to use the NYX Summer Love. More on that like pearly side of things, like very 2000s. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. If not, keep on keeping on. It's that simple, y'all. Don't forget to be nice to people because it's really, honestly, truly not that hard. And I hope you guys have a good day. Happy holidays. Enjoy your New Year's. Don't do anything dumb like drink and drive. It's not worth the risk, and there are so many other options out there for you to get home safely. And just, you know, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Bye.